Hi everyone, it's Mia. So in this video, I'm going to show you what a small business really needs in accounting in Xero. I demonstrate Xero. It's very tidy and very presentable and very easy to understand. So first of all, when you log into your Xero, I strongly recommend that you give it a try. Come to the demo company because you already have some data here. So now you will see in this demo company here, even though I already get quite lots of data transactions in this demo company, I will still suggest you to give it a try to use Xero to link into your bank account. So you will get all the transactions from your account and you will have more understanding from it. In order to do this, you will just need to click accounting, bank account, and add a bank account and find your bank and then follow through. Just type in whatever it requires you to do. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment here. So right now I'm going to show you, once you imported your bank account, you will see it just shows here like you have your checking account, your saving account is here, and it also shows you the total cash and out in your accounts. And on the right hand side, it shows you the account watch list and the invoices owed to you and the bills you need to pay. At least understands if your business is actually generating the profit or not. So let's click the business bank account. In order to know if your business is really generating the profits, you'd better to do your bookkeeping properly. Let's look at the reconcile. And then shows you the properly what it is, and if you feel like yeah it makes sense, just click OK and OK. But in the beginning, Xero doesn't recognize your expenses, so you probably need to just create it by yourself for each one of them. So for example, like this one, so you always have to click who, and so you will just click select city and then click who, and it shows you the details if you previously entered before. If not, don't worry about it too. If it's not, then let's see like CT2. Yeah, then you just need to click the new contact, and then it shows you new here. So yeah, it's pretty good. And with this one, you need to know how to record this one, right? So now here comes the tricky part. And the best thing with Xero is it actually shows you on this area is spending, and this area it means you're receiving money. So obviously you are receiving money from this guy, so this is an income, and you will select the income section like the revenue, and it's from your sales. Then you just click sales, and you will choose if you want to make a note like where is this customer is located, and if not, don't worry about it, it doesn't matter. And if you're registered in GST, then click GST on income, and if not, just GST free income. And add details. If you want to split it, just like for example, like actually this part is $50, and you have another one called 110 and quantity 1 and 50, and it's not from your sales. It's just the income for something else like other revenue. Yes, then just click save the transactions, then reconcile, then it's done, it's disappeared. Oh, there's another faster way, it's called cash coding. This is really the best. So the best thing with this one is most people just only do the business with some certain people. You'll just probably have the same payees. So you just need to click here and sort it by the payees, and then click one. Here, these two are all the same. And accounts, their office expenses are all good, right? But if you want to change it, motor expense, vehicle expenses, and don't worry about the rest. Just click enter. You see, that all becomes the same. So you got to be very careful with this one, because if you just accidentally choose too many, like parking and even accidentally click the bakery here, and you just do them like, let's say, still the same, motor vehicle expenses, and click OK, click hit the other button, you see, they all becomes motor vehicle expenses. So you got to be very careful in case, like, this one is you might accidentally click this one without any conscious. So it was coded in the wrong place as well. So when you click, make sure you click the right payees and also choose the right accounts, and you apply the right tax rate on it. And then the best thing with it is you just need to click here, save and reconcile selected. Then 5 were saved and reconciled successfully. Oh, good. So now just keep going through this one by one. Once it's all clean, then you come to the bank statements. It will show you where we were just reconciled. It will show you reconciled. You can just do here to check in as well, and just check it out. Cool. So once you complete this, you will need to know if you are earning money or not, right? So it's better to check out your transactions every day. So in order to do this, you will do accounting, report, and here is some financial statement, and here are some financial reports in these sections. Let's see the profit and loss first. So it might sound like a bit complicated, but don't worry. From this financial year, start from 1st of July till right now, and no comparison period, just update. As soon as you reconcile it, whatever you recorded in the sales account, it comes to here. And here's the cost of sales and the other income, operating expenses. Just like what it says as the title, it's a profit and loss statement. So in this place, all you need to do is just look at the profit and the loss. So you see, the first section is the income. The income is just your profit. And the cost of sales is the loss. So profit and loss just here. But all the business probably have the other incomes such as interest income or other revenues. And let's say you are making the ultimate. The ultimate is your product, which means you will definitely need to buy some materials. Whatever is directly contributed to your ultimate is something you need to put in the cost of sales, because without those materials, you're not going to be able to complete your products and sell it out. So whatever is like this, you put in the cost of sales. And whatever is directly related to your products, you sell your products to get income, you put in the trading income, because you trade your products and then you get the income. So that's something you need to put in the first section, first profit and loss. And the second one is just something else. For selling the ultimate, you need to do some advertising, pay for the cleaning, you need to pay for the freight and couriers. You need to pay for your shop's light and power and heating. You need a car to deliver your products to your customers. That's the motor vehicle expenses. For those things, yes, they are necessary for your business. But even though you don't spend money on it, you will still be able to make your products. For something like that, it's like just something else. They are just overhead expenses. So we put that in the operating expenses. Yes, we need that to operate our business, but it doesn't actually contribute to the product process. You get some dividends from your shares. For something like that, you will put in the other income. After you recorded everything like this, as a result, it will show you the net profits. And that's what you really need to know to see if you're actually earning money or not. If you want to know more the details about balance sheet, keep watching and I will show you more.